Hey, good morning, good afternoon, or whenever the hell you're going to be watching this. Today, what I'm going to be doing, put in some my ignition coils. This is what's going on today. When we get back, we'll be at the shop. So, we just got to the shop, and surprisingly, my baby's out here. So, here she is. Oh, she is filthy. God dang. Well, here she is. Let's get to it. So got the new valve covers going in, all aluminum, and now you have all these screws out here where you can actually service this valve cover, because if the stock ones, you can't take out just these gaskets here for the spark plugs. You're basically forced to go ahead and spend $400 plus to get new ones, or you can go where I went to Concept Z Performance. They're not paying me, and they actually have these in aluminum. I got them next day aired to me for $359. I think it's an awesome buy. I would just unscrew these and make sure they're really tight, or put some little Loctite in, because the last thing you want is one of these screws to come out into your valve system. This next time you see these, they'll be on the car. You can see, remember the cool valve cover that I got? So I just started by moving the harness out of the way. You're gonna have one bolt. I always put them right back where they were. There's one bolt that was here. These are all 10mm, by the way. Right here, this spot, I'm probably gonna loosen, go all the way around. This side's gonna be a little fun, and I think once I get this harness out of the way, I'll be able to reach the 1, the number 2, and the 3 right here. Yeah, so I'm a little annoyed today. So I'm debating whether to film this or not. You know what? Let me stop being an asshole. I'm gonna go ahead and film it. I'm gonna do a time lapse. It's real simple. Each one of these has just one bolt in it, 10mm all the way around. You pop it. It's right here. You slide this sucker out. Boop, put the next one in. I recommend you do these one at a time so as you don't mix them up.